This is a 2012 Lincoln Navigator, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a low-tire pressure indicator, satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.